If you're about to give up, pray this with me. Close your eyes. Take a breath. God is here. Father, I'm tired. I'm empty. I don't know how much more I can take. But your word says, when I am weak, then I am strong. So I give you my weakness. I give you my doubt. I give you this weight I was never meant to carry. Fill me with your strength. Renew my spirit. Remind me why I started. And when I can't see the next step, help me trust that you're already there. In Jesus' name.